Calvary families. Today I want to make a color wheel with you. Many sea lions talked about wanting to make a color wheel this fall, so I thought it would be a fun project to do today. The first two things you're going to need are two round things, a large circle and a smaller one. So we're just going to trace this plate on a piece of paper. Children can do this, or you can help them. And then I'm going to take my little bowl, or you can use a glass, and trace a smaller circle inside the big one. So you should end up with a ring. Then I'm going to draw a line across the middle of the ring, and then this is a little bit tricky. You need to divide the other two parts into thirds. So I'm gonna see if you can divide it into two equal sections. So your color wheel should have 6 sections. It should look like that. So when you make an artist color wheel, a proper artist color wheel has to follow the order of the rainbow, which is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. The children have had a lot of practice with this, so if you want to make a real proper color wheel, remember to follow the colors in this order. And then I'm going to start with red at the top and color in one section red. Some of my students know the best way to color in a shape is to outline it first and then color it in. And then I'll move on to orange. I'm using crayons today. I heard it was National Crayon Day. I encourage you all to watch the Mr. Rogers video in the Crayola factory of how crayons are made. I still love it. I watch it over and over again. And then keep going around your circle like this. So I have a finished one on the other side. Your finished color wheel will look like this. If you want to, for some of my older students, or if your students are interested, I painted this one with watercolor instead of using crayons, and I like to add in this magenta color and this turquoise color. And any of the intermediate colors are simply the result of mixing the two colors on either side of it. So this color is what you get when you mix purple and red. This color is what you get when you mix the green and the blue together. And you can keep adding intermediate colors if you want to. You could add a light green here, which is what you'd get if you mixed the yellow and the green together. And you can keep going around like that. It's pretty fun. Then I thought, just for an added project, I went out in my garden or on one of my nature walks, and I picked some petals from flowers, and I thought it would be fun to match them up. So here's my blue, purple, magenta, red, orange, yellow, got this light green, and a kind of bluish green. So I hope you all send me photographs of your color wheels that you make. If you text them to me, I can post them onto our cluster account really easily, and I hope you have fun doing this project.